Welcome back to our channel, Crypto Enthusiasts. Today, we've got an exciting deep dive into the world of AI trading bots in cryptocurrency markets. If you're into the crypto scene or looking to enhance your trading game, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get started. Now, AI trading bots, they're like the superheroes of the crypto realm, tirelessly analyzing data, making split-second decisions, and executing trades faster than the blink of an eye. In this video, we're going to conduct a comprehensive comparative analysis of these bots, exploring their features, advantages, and potential pitfalls. Stick around to discover which AI trading bot might be your perfect sidekick in the crypto markets. Let's kick things off by introducing the contenders in today's matchup. We've got a lineup of AI trading bots, each with its unique set of capabilities and strategies. From the veterans to the newcomers, we'll cover them all. But first, let's talk about why AI trading bots are creating such a buzz in the crypto community. The benefits. 1. Speed and efficiency *. AI bots can process massive datasets and execute trades at lightning speed, giving them a clear advantage in fast-paced crypto markets. 2. 24/7 trading. Unlike human traders, bots don't need sleep. They tirelessly operate around the clock, ensuring you don't miss out on potential opportunities. 3. Data analysis. These bots excel at crunching numbers, analyzing market trends, and identifying potential profit opportunities. But, of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Now, let's delve into the potential risks and challenges associated with using AI trading bots. The risks. 1. Algorithmic errors. Bugs or glitches in the bot's algorithm can lead to unexpected trades and financial losses. 2. Market volatility. While bots can be programmed to handle volatility, extreme market conditions can sometimes catch them off guard. 3. Over-reliance. Traders might become overly dependent on bots, neglecting the importance of human analysis and intuition. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the comparative analysis. We'll take a closer look at a few prominent AI trading bots, comparing their features, performance, and user experiences. 1. Bot A, the veteran. Known for its robust algorithm and years of experience in the crypto game. Offers a range of customization options for traders with varying risk appetites. User-friendly interface but might be overwhelming for beginners. 2. Bot B, the newcomer. Boasts cutting-edge AI technology with a sleek and intuitive interface. Targets beginners with simple setups and predefined strategies. However, lacks some advanced features for seasoned traders. In conclusion, AI trading bots are transforming the crypto landscape, offering unparalleled speed and efficiency. But, as with any tool, understanding the risks and choosing the right bot for your needs is crucial. We've just scratched the surface today, so stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and analyses. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your crypto community, and comment below with your thoughts or any specific bots you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy trading!